Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? I'm going to show you how to line the headlights in this 325 Ci. One of the things you want to keep in mind is check your tire pressures, make sure that it's not too low in the back or vice versa. Also, make sure there's not excessive weight or any other weight that you normally would not have in the vehicle when checking this. So we're going to start, we're going to have our board down there. We're going to have that 25 feet away. You could mark a wall or just keep in mind measuring a wall. So first thing you're going to do is check the height of the headlight. Now there's no mark on the headlight to tell me where it is, so I'm just going to base it. I'm just going to look at it and try to find the center. And it's a little less than 25 inches, like 24 and a half or so. So then we're going to turn the headlights on. You're going to want to do this at nighttime or in a dark area. So we're going to turn the key on, turn our headlight switch on, pop the hood so we can make our adjustments. So it looks like this headlight is a little bit low, which is okay. Right around 23, 24 inches is where we want it on the driver's side. The passenger side looks really low. It's around 20. We can raise that one up to around 23, 24. So we'll go do that now. The adjustment for the headlight is right here. You can use a little Allen wrench, and when we tighten it, it raises the headlight up. Loosen it, it lowers the headlight. You can also, if you clean out the area, you could use a Phillips head screwdriver, just ours is really dirty, so we'll just use an Allen. It's a 6mm Allen. And if you look, as I tighten this, it raises the headlight up. And right there is about 24 inches, 25. So that, now we have the passenger side blocked, so we can just see the driver's side. As you can see, I can just make some fine adjustments. Right around 24 would be good. That looks good right there. Another thing you can aim is the fog lights. So we can measure that. It's about a little less than 13 inches. And to adjust that, you'll use the same 6mm Allen. And we can tighten it to make it go up and loosen it to make it go down. We'll go about the same 13 inches. I'm on the passenger side now. You can see it's a little harder to adjust the fog lights because there's not as sharp of a line when you're adjusting them, but just get it close. And that looks good.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.